What's up, Electro Buddies? It's me again, bringing you another laboratory test to do. To recall, in our previous performance test video, we used two push buttons as up and down button for our LCD display. In today's test, we will be using an infrared receiver and a remote to control the up and down. So, the objective for this task is to successfully control our LCD display using this remote that we purchased from Shopee. Hello everyone, I'm Junse de Balsomo, and without further ado, let's do this task. For the materials, we did not change any of them. We just added the IR and the remote. Using Fritzing, here is the finished schematic diagram. At this point, here is the code that we need in order to achieve our goal. Here is the hex code for up button for the remote, while this one is the down button of remote. And now, once we are ready and we already checked the connections and found no errors in our code, this will be our finished output. As you can see, we still control the LCD using push button switches. Then here is now the result when we use the remote. I hope you've learned something today. I'm Junse de Balsomo once again. Goodbye and thank you for watching.